Yeah, because I'm not liking this.
Although it'll take us longer to get home.
I think it stopped.
It didn't stop. Look at it.
Was that a hole or was that a thing?
Rain. That's rain.
I don't like
storm
this.
chasers!
Ah!
Why is the tornado? We're not
You
going
want
that
to
way,
fuck on
actually.
me? Can I get out? I want to get out and get a hail.
There's not hail
Can I open the door?
No, it's just rain.
Just one time? Just one time. I'm gonna open it.
Window.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Sorry.
Oh, you missed the green light.
My eye!
Yeah. That's unpleasant.
Oh, poor Dakota. I hope I'm home.
I forgot about Dakota. I can't believe I left her outside. And it's not. Oh, we went under a bridge. What if I was late? That poor fucking dog is gonna hate me for the rest of her life. Poor puppy.
She's gonna have to hang out in the garage. Oh no, she'll be in the kitchen if we're in the kitchen.
Oh my god, it's open! I just felt the drop on my shoulder.
I shut mine. Yeah, mine shut. Get in your lane, asshole! Fucking A!
You couldn't see the line.
Oh yeah. It's right there, asshole!
Oh, we gotta go around the damn block because the trucking people can't board the damn road.
Oh, what
I can't see anything.
grocery store?
Eh?
What if Nana's walking home with the grocery?
That sucks to be Nana.
You should watch the weather. I'm sure she does.
She should watch the weather.
You can hear the radio. Damn right.
Yeah, you're ruining Justin Timberlake's song. Here it is. Coming back into once I figured it
It's not hailing anymore.
I'm kind of
It's
sad.
probably the other way. I don't know the way that hail's going.